This is how we make our jasmine matcha. Making the jasmine milk base. Weigh out 30 grams of silver jasmine and add into a jug. To speed up the brewing process, rinse the leaves with 80-degree water and allow the leaves to steep for 5 seconds. Then strain and discard the water. Add your choice of alternative milk. We used soy. And then steep it for an hour in the fridge. If you'd like to make more or less than 1 litre of this milk base, simply adjust the amount of leaves proportionately. Strain the infusion into another jug. Keep refrigerated. This jasmine milk base should be used within 3 days or prior to the milk expiring, whichever comes first. Now let's prepare the matcha. Sieve 1.5 teaspoons or 6 grams of matcha through a strainer into a spouted matcha bowl. Add 20 ml of 70-degree water to your bowl and stir to make a paste. Add another 30 ml of 70-degree water to the bowl and whisk to create your desired foam level. To make each serve of jasmine matcha, add ice cubes and 250 ml of the silver jasmine milk base in a glass. Then pour the matcha over the milk and garnish with a dusting of matcha.